Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you want to make your spreadsheets easier to use, especially when they involve lots of choices? With Excel's data validation feature, you can insert drop-down lists to simplify data entry. In this video, I will show you how to create a drop-down list in Excel. Let's go. First off, let's make a list of options that will appear in the drop-down box. To begin, open a new spreadsheet in your existing workbook, and write each option you want in the drop-down, one item per row. After writing each item, select any cell, and press Ctrl and T keys to quickly convert the list into an Excel table. Make sure to check My Table has headers if you have column titles. Next, define a name range to make it easier to reference your list of choices. Highlight all cells with your options. Navigate to the name box in the top left corner, and type in a name for this range. Once you've finalized your list, go back to the sheet and select the cells where you want the drop-down menu to appear. Proceed to the Data tab in the ribbon and click Data Validation. In the Allow box, select List and reference your range by entering an equals sign followed by the name you gave it earlier. To make your drop-down more user-friendly, go to the Input Message tab so you can add a title and message that will appear when someone clicks on the menu. While on the Error Alert tab, you can customize the message that pops up if someone enters an invalid value. After saving, the drop-down menus immediately fill the selected cells. For your additional information, let's try adding or removing items from your table options. To add more items to your list, simply return to the sheet where you created your table. Navigate to the bottom and enter them one row at a time. After adding, you'll notice that the new items are automatically included to the drop-down menu. If you want to remove an option, right-click on the corresponding row in your list table and select Delete. Any changes you make will automatically be reflected in the drop-down list. Okay, if I've been able to help you, I'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. If something didn't work out and you're stuck, check the comments. Maybe someone has solved the problem. Otherwise, I can try and help you further. I offer personal support on Fiverr and can give you independent advice. I also offer many other services. Feel free to check them out. You'll find the link in the video description. Until next time, bye.